Courtney, congratulations. First of all, talk about the shot Mark makes look like a play. I don't know if that's how it was drawn up, but Mark certainly made it count.
Well, the pass was a little bit terrible, so Mark had to improvise, but that was the play to get it to big fella and let him work. He's the all-star. You know what I mean? He's all-star for a reason, and he's our go-to guy, so we had trust in him, and he made the right play, not only on the offensive end, but the play before. He made the right pass on the offensive end when I got fouled, and he made the right play down here on the defensive end, was stepping up.
Heck of a job on James Harden tonight that you did tonight. What's key when trying to contain him?
Don't foul. Try to play defense, get him out of his rhythm, make him dribble a lot. You know what I mean? Don't let him come in and step into comfortable threes. And then when he drives around you, don't reach.
A lot easier said than done. They only went to the line 5 times this whole game.
Yeah, it's a lot easier said than done, but that was scouting report, man, and we just had trust. We let Mark, Zach, Kufis, Jeff, all the big guys protect the rim.
You've heard it since the All-Star break, really struggling, not in rhythm, things not going your way, maybe winning some games, but not doing it like you guys want to. What's tonight do for the confidence of this team?
It's huge for us. We let one get away at home, man, against Utah that we felt that we should have went out there and won. Even though we had guys out, we still had enough tools to go out there and compete and win the game. And so that was on our minds all day. It was a long day because it was a back-to-back, no shoot-around. So you got all day in the room to think about that game last night and try to get prepared for today. And we wanted to come out here and win this one.